guys, Saving with Shay. I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow pow. If you take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button and support your girl. So listen, y'all, my voice is finally starting to come back. It was out for the last 2 days. Started coming back last night, but it was kind of in and out. I felt like I was on a conversation where the signal wasn't good. It was like you could hear every other word. I felt like I was just whispering. And I will tell you this, you will never miss your voice until you don't have it. And I was just like, I like to talk. Hell, I'm old, y'all know. I'll be talking to myself and I talk to myself a lot. And so to not be able to talk to yourself is crazy. And so I'm not 100%. But we are definitely getting there. And I was excited to be able to do the video for you guys today too, because I wanted to record yesterday, but I just couldn't. And so with that being said, listen, I did knock out the rest of my Fetchtopia deals yesterday, of course. So obviously those deals are gone. That ship has sailed. And I was waiting for my gift card for Fetch Reward to come through to do that. And I think honestly that was the best thing, doing it like that this time around. I didn't spend a whole lot of PayPal money because I was basically just using those gift cards for Fetch. Next time this happens, I'm gonna do it the same way. I'm gonna do some deals on day one of it, and then I'm gonna wait till I get that gift card and then do more deals with that gift card and kind of just roll it like that. And so as of right now, I'm still waiting for one more gift card for $50. That should come on the 31st. But I did cash out, I want to say $175 so far. Now I am still waiting for some of my points. Like I didn't get the 60,000 for Uber Eats yet, and I didn't get the 6,000 points for, what was it for Shell rewards. I signed up for that. I signed up for, what else? I signed up for KFC. I did Amazon prescription, and I did Purina. What else did I do? Panera Bread, because my subscription was ending, and it wouldn't have been as good a deal as if I just did it through the Fetch app, and it was $5 a month for the next 5 months. So, and I do that with Sip Club, you guys. Sip Club is through Panera Bread and unlimited drinks. I just literally got me one right now. Unlimited drinks, you can do it every 2 hours, and I just have to change my number every time I do it. And so like a month before it expires, you want to cancel it. A lot of times they'll offer you a cheaper deal, but this time they didn't, and so that's why I switched over to a different one. So I'm using a different phone number. And so I kind of wanted to mention that. And so with that being said, because I've talked enough, and because you already hit the like button, like hello, I'm going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what you can grab, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, y'all. So this first deal popped up this morning. It's available for both Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta. So you could do either or. Of course, I did both, like duh. And so it's on the Body Armor Flash IV. These are priced at $238. Now the yellow one, I did that one for Walmart Rewards. That one's a little cheaper. It's $228. You'll get back $2 for Ibotta. Our Walmart Rewards makes them 28 cents each. These here are $238, so it makes them 38 cents with a limit of 5. So we went ahead and maxed it out. So I went ahead and grabbed the Nora. What is this? Premium flavor base. Again, they're priced at $5.88. Now, I was close to hitting this spin offer on Fetch, which was spend 10, get back 2. But if I grab 3 of these plus one of the rice sides at $128, I would hit that twice. So I grabbed 3 of these, 1 of the rice sides. The total for all 4 items, it came to $18.92. Got back $10 from Fetch, and then $6 on Ibotta, brings it down to 73 cents per item. So this next deal is on the Rice-A-Roni. This was another Fetch deal I did yesterday. Now the store that I was at yesterday, they had the rice pilaf. Was it rice pilaf? That was on rollback for 98 cents. So I grabbed 2 of them at that price and then 1 of them at $138. It was perfect. The total for all 3, it came to $328. Fetch had an offer that was spend 3, get back 2. Which brought them down to only 42 cents each. All right, so next up is the Culture Pop. These are priced at $208. For this, I grabbed 4 of them, paid $8.32. I got back $4 on Fetch, which was $2 for each set of two, and then two on Ibotta, which was 50 cents for each. Brings these down to 58 cents each. I got a couple extra offers on my Flavor Wiki account for chips. I got the barbecue chips priced at $1.50, getting back $4.50. Makes that a $3 moneymaker. I also got the Chester's hot fries. These are priced at $2.74. Getting back $4.50 on Flavor Wiki makes this $1.76 moneymaker. I think I'm gonna grab the Lay's again. This is on Joseph's account. He has the Lay's. They are priced at $3.50. Getting back $5 on Flavor Wiki makes this $1.50 moneymaker. He also has the Pringles, the original, priced at $2. Getting back $4 on Flavor Wiki makes it a $2 money. Makes it a $2 moneymaker. Next up is the Beech-Nut. It's on the Odie bars. Again, this is another deal I did for Vegetopia yesterday. I was really trying to hit 55,000 points so I could cash out for another $50 Walmart gift card, which is why I got these. So grabbing one, priced at $7.97. We have a $2 OTC coupon. The OTCs are not stacking for me anymore. And then if you're doing multiple transactions, you have to switch registers, which is what I had to do yesterday. With the $2 OTC, you'll pay $5.97, getting back 5,000 points, which is like $5 on Fetch, making it only 97 cents. I went ahead and did 3 separate transactions for this because, again, I was really trying to hit 55,000 points so I could cash out. All right, y'all. So listen, I wasn't going to do the Advil deal again, but honestly, I think this is a good way for me to convert my Fetch Reward Walmart gift cards back to cash. And so I have a $25 one. These are priced at $5. The offer on Upromise is buy 2, get back 10. So you'll pay 10, get back 10. There's a limit of 2 receipt submissions. So I'll pay 20 and I'll get back 20. Can use that gift card and convert that to cash. And so I think that's what I'll probably do when I get the $50 one as well. I think this offer is good until 3rd. And so yeah. Alright, so this next deal is on the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. Priced at $3.98. Now I went ahead and grabbed one for Walmart Rewards. Got back $2 there. Submitted to checkout 51. Got back $2 there. And submitted to Upromise. It's in review. If all goes well, then it'll make it a $2.02 moneymaker. Now I'm also going to be grabbing a set of 3, which is the limit on Ibotta. So one at $3.98. I'll use this $2 printable right here from coupons.com. You'll pay $1.98. Get back to on Ibotta. Makes it a 2-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. Next up is the Nivea body lotion. This is the 8.4, priced at $4.97. Getting back to on Ibotta. Now this is only on my list. And then $2 on Upromise and $2 on checkout 51 would make this a $1.03 moneymaker. Okay, we also have a deal on the Nivea body wash. I think I'm gonna pass this time around, but it's priced at $4.77. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. It's only on my list, and $2 on Upromise would make this 77 cents. Alright, so this deal here is on the Pantene. It's on the travel size shampoo or conditioner. They're priced at $2. This is a Walmart Rewards offer with a limit of 1. So you'll grab 1 at 2, get back 3, making this a $1 moneymaker. So the last deal that I grabbed was on the Olay. I thought it was a pretty decent deal. Plus I had a P&G $5 OTC that I wanted to use. So I grabbed 2 of these right here. They're priced at $10.97. The total for 2 is going to come to $21.94. I scanned that OTC at checkout, which brought the total down to $16.94. And then I got back an offer on Ibotta that was $4 back when you buy 2, and 1 that was $2 back when you buy 1 with a limit of, I think, 3 it was. And so I got back a total of 8 there. Plus we also got back $5.20 on Fetch Reward. That was a spend 19 offer. And so it makes them only $1.87 each. Last but not least, I do have a dollar birthday suite on checkout 51. I see these for $1.63. I think I'm gonna grab them. It'll make it only 63 cents. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. I was gonna do the Hillshire again and the ocean spray, but to be honest, I didn't feel like doing it today. So I'll probably do it tomorrow in my next haul, because I was like, I have a lot of stuff already, and I know it's a hard setup the more stuff that I have. But I will definitely be doing those deals hopefully before they expire. And so everything here worked out good though. I didn't mention Dollar Tree stuff. The milk bones, that was Fetch Reward yesterday. L. Gibson shared that deal. $1.50 each, pay 3, get back 3. It was a limit of 2. What else did I get? Oh, the Old Spice. I'm surprised this is still like resetting for me. Like, this is the 6th time I've done it. It reset again today. I didn't really feel like going to Dollar Tree today, so I'll probably do that tomorrow, but that's on Ibotta. Same deal that I've been doing for Dollar Tree, and it's still working for me. And so it's buy 1 at $125, get back 2. So it makes them a 75-cent moneymaker for each one, limit of 2. And then I also got the Rockstar. I just wanted to see if it was going to work. I didn't want to just go in there and just get the milk bones because I did that yesterday. But I wanted to see if it was still working for checkout 51, which it is. So it makes those 25 cents each. The Arm & Hammer is pending. And the Nivea lotion is pending on Upromise. That's the only sister app that I used today. My coupons for the Arm & Hammer, they scan perfectly fine. I did do that in self-checkout. All 3 of my OTCs worked. I'll probably pop up a little screenshot of that. But all 3 worked, different transactions, different registers. What else did I use an OTC for? The Olay will pop up that receipt. That was a $5 OTC. That's for the P&G website. When you scan your P&G receipts, you get points. And when you hit 700, I want to say, in 55, you can cash out for a $5 OTC gift card that you can use on other P&G products. So that's what I used for that. I did get back the $1 on checkout 51 for this. I wasn't sure if I would because they're like muffins, not like cupcakes. But I thought it was the best deal, so that's why I grabbed them. And you guys know I like to eat, so yeah, there's that. Other than that, I am still waiting for the Shell rewards. I reached out to support, and Fetch said basically some offers will take up to 2 weeks. So if it's not there in 2 weeks, then basically hit them back up again. So I was like, okay, whatever. And so yeah, and so other than that, I have a lot of receipts. I'll pop up the crest. The crest, I did that at CVS this week. I had $10 in extra care bucks expiring. And so for that, those are $9.99 each. I'll pop up the breakdown. So $19.98. I had a 4 off of 20. I had a $3 digital, and I had a $3 on the coupon 24 app. It was perfect. All right. I paid $9.98, wrote the $10 I had, paid nothing out of pocket, and got back $7. Also got back $2 for each one I bought. So I made both of those free plus $1 moneymaker, which is really, really cool. And I literally was going to go in there and just burn it. But I was just like, okay, Chanel, let's think about this. And that's what I came up with. And so other than that, everything you see here retails $180.28. $27 in coupons and OTCs brought the out-of-pocket down to $153.28. Getting back $62.23 from Fetch Reward, $47 from Ibotta. Flavor Wiki, really quick. I had the 4 chips, but I also did some surveys on Joseph's account. But it was just, I just got paid for it. Like, I did the survey, and I got 3 out of 4 of them. So I did get back $4 for each of them, which was really cool because I didn't expect, I expected to go buy something, but just do the surveys, and the questions are hella tricky. I ain't even gonna front. Like, for Wiki, they doing too much. Like, you want the honest answer, or you want any answer. So, but I was happy, whatever. I got back $12. So $30 from Flavor Wiki. Upromise is $24. Walmart Rewards was $15. Checkout 51 is $7. And the $7 in extra care bucks brings that total back to $192.23. It makes this a $38.95 moneymaker, which is really awesome. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. In the comments, I want to see... Ooh, let's see some pumpkin emojis in the comments. Some pumpkins, some ghosts, some Halloween emojis in the comments if you made it all the way to the end. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.